Hey guys, welcome to the help screen, and this is how to fix Xbox One Series X S error code. So guys, this is a step-by-step guide and I'm going to show you two solutions. So guys, in order for you to do this is just go to the settings and then tap on account, and then after that remove yourself from this account and then sign back in and see if it works. And after that, guys, this should fix the issue. But if it doesn't, go back to the general settings, guys, and tap on personalization. And then after that, guys, tap on my home Xbox. And then after that, make sure to toggle make this my home Xbox. And then from there, guys, you should be able to fix the error code. And there you go, guys. Just try the two solutions. And there you go. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. See ya.